بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
القارعة.
The calamity.
ما القارعة.
What is the calamity?
وما أدراك ما القارعة.
What will convey unto thee what the calamity is?
يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث.
A day wherein mankind will be as thickly scattered moths.
وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش.
And the mountains will become as carded wool.
فأما من ثقلت موازينه.
Then as for him whose scales are heavy with good works,
فهو في عيشة راضية.
he will live a pleasant life.
وأما من خفت موازينه.
But as for him whose scales are light,
فأمه هاوية.
the bereft and hungry one will be his mother.
وما أدراك ما هي.
What will convey unto thee what she is?
نار حامية.
Raging fire.